We are at the Startup Mahakumbh in Delhi, and we have Vidhya here, Chief of Staff at Accel. And Vidhya is here from Bangalore. She was moderating a couple of sessions for the Startup Mahakumbh. And Vidhya, I wanted to catch your thoughts on the whole event, the exhibitions, the halls there, where the pavilions have been set up. So, what are your thoughts on it overall?
I think this is the first time such a massive scale event is happening, celebrating the success of India's startup story, and also pushing forward further acceleration of it, right? And if you look specifically, I talk about the pavilion that I'm leading, which is the B2B and manufacturing. Historically, has never happened in startup, where there's been a focus or highlight that's given to B2B and manufacturing first companies, because there's never been venture investable in the past. But with a lot of changes at a macro level that's happening, the tides are turning a lot. And that's the unique thing I think about Startup Mahakumbh.
When you look at a new startup coming here and setting up a stall, and when you have people coming and interacting with them, what do you think should they be looking to take away from here? What are the sort of things that they should be looking out for when they're here? In terms of networking, whether it's mentoring, GTM, whatever it is.
So there are 2-3 things in my mind. For the young entrepreneurs out there, I think each of the pavilions have curated specific content that's going to enable them. And for example, in B2B, we have GTM, we have brand, how to build each of these. And these are very working capital management. We have session on that here today. Very unique sessions which are very, very important for these people to learn. And of course, networking. We have all of the unicorns out here. So insane networking opportunities. So that's networking, a lot of content, learning, and sales and dealership connects that they're building.
All right. Great. Thanks so much, Vidhya. I really appreciate your time.